We'll guide you through how to upload files in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and access the Asana website. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, open the task where you want to upload a file. When the task details are displayed, locate the Attachments button and click it to view the available attachment options. From the menu that appears, select Upload from Computer to begin uploading a file from your device. A file browser window will open, allowing you to browse through the files stored on your computer. Navigate to the location where the file is saved and browse for the file you want to upload. Once you find the correct file, select it by clicking on it. After selecting the file, click Open to begin the upload process. The file will start uploading to the task automatically. Wait for the upload to complete and allow the system enough time to process the file. Once the upload is finished, review the attached file to confirm that it has been added to the task correctly. Check the attachment section and verify that the file name appears as expected. Next, verify that the file preview appears if a preview is available for the selected file type. Confirm that the file can be viewed and accessed directly from the task. If additional information is needed, add a comment to the task by entering your message in the comment section. This can be used to provide context or instructions related to the uploaded file. After adding the comment, your changes will be saved automatically by Asana. Review the task to ensure that both the attachment and any comments have been recorded correctly. After confirming that the file appears correctly and can be accessed without any issues, the process is complete. Edit your changed workspace according to your needs.